Oh yeah? Oh yeah, I have come here today particularly to appreciate you. I must appreciate you for letting go and allowing our own brother Bekon to meet his forefathers. You are a true son of Weza.
Thank you. All thanks to my wife. Bekon desires to go and be with his ancestors.
But now that he is dead and buried, can you tell me what was really your problem with him?
Bekon was a bully. I was older than him for 5 whopping years. 5 whopping years.
Not 5 days.
But he was stronger than many of us and had no respect for seniority. Have you forgotten? He was always beating and bullying his seniors. Have you?
Oh yeah. So was that enough reason for you to deny him burial in his homeland?
You don't know. Bekon even told me that I would die and be buried before him after beating me blue-black.
Okay.
We were enemies from childhood. From childhood.
Well, I am glad. I'm so glad you're finally giving way for peace to reign.
Zenke!
Adambolo.
Zenke, where have you been?
Edambolo, where are you taking me to? Where are you taking me to?
Zenke,
Edambolo.
who are those people?
They are men of God from my mother's village. I went to my mother's village. I had to run.
Deko ye kigba, I am asking you for the last time. Zenke, I say, who are those people? I am seeing them for the first time.
I know. You don't
I have
know
never
them.
set my eyes on this kind of people.
Edambolo, these are men of God. These are men of God. I brought them here so that they will save me and they will save the entire Banato community.
Oh! Zenke, upe ikpane. Upe ikpane mo pe shimi bungu.
Edambolo, you're speaking in Proverbs.
Zenke, you dug an empty grave. We are looking for a way that will try and cover it. Now you went and brought another problem. Zenke, can you quasi ruitane?
Edambolo, how's this a problem?
It is a very big problem.
The elder said they cannot cover an empty grave. That's why I brought the men of God. They will help us to cover it.
Hey!
These men of God, they said they will help us. They will help me. I was the one that dug it. They will help me to cover it.
Zenke, if they ask you, unege moga, unege mogo,
they will help us.
Ufaiga, upetare.
Is everything alright?
By the grace of God.
Nothing is alright, oh. Nothing is alright.
Let's go.
Zenke,
Edambolo, we are safe. We are good.
akayo manyana to. Why? Zenke! Muso yawo gbausu. We don't zene gasa ekwa egana ha.
Edambolo, good morning. What are you talking about?
You mean you don't know what I'm talking about? Calm down, let me tell you. Your late husband, Binde, was not only my brother. Binde was my good friend and age mate. That is why I just opened myself to help his family. Now there is no more. But, look, that your son called Zenke is too stubborn for my liking.
What has Zenke done this time again?
Oh, so you don't know what Zenke has done this time?
I don't know.
Oh, don't worry. You will know. You will know. Zenke have caused a lot of problem in this community. Now you are telling me you don't know nothing about what Zenke has done. Don't worry, time is coming. Zenke!
I want to apologize to you and the entire community for going against your wish and digging Bekun's grave without your approval. I'm truly sorry. Oh yeah, are you hearing? Okay, so concerning the empty grave, I also got a solution to it. I want to use this opportunity and introduce you to Evangelist Charles here. He's a man of God from my mother's village where I went to. They were sent here too, but the other left for another assignment in the next village. So he has promised that he will help me cover the grave without a problem. So, Evangelist, this is Orya. He's like the head of this entire family lineage. So please. So he's like a father to me too.
May the good Lord be with you.
I don't need your Lord. He should stay with you. Zenke.
Oh yeah.
I hope you know what you and your evangelists are doing.
Yes, promise.
Leave my house. I said, leave my house.
He said he'll help me.
Leave my house. Nenge kahi.
Mama? Nalu.
So,
You should talk to your brother.
can you
The elders, the youth, and the women, everybody is just angry about what Zenke is doing.
Agwa, my son, have been talking to Zenke. Zenke have not been giving me listening ears.
Put more energy. Put more energy in that talk.
Wonder. Hey. Mama,
You should stand here and be arguing among yourself. May I have said my own.
Alu, what's chasing you?
Shima, it's my mother. She collapsed while we were working on the farm.
Really? Just like that? Is Zenke aware of this?
No. I went to the house, but I didn't see him.
Wangura, adukata yem na nguvu no chora hachimena. In fact, let's go.
Shima, where are you hurrying to with Alu now?
Come with Zenke. You don't want to be at peace.
How, Shima, my friend? Why are you talking to me like that?
Since you have returned with that, your evangelist, things have grown from bad to worst.
Alu, what happened?
Zenke is Mama.
Mama?
She's unconscious.
Mama?
She collapsed on the farm.
How? When? Where? Please, come, take me there. Shima, are you coming?
Mohana, I'm fine even go. This boy dug an empty grave. Ka ben hiragato. Ayi mera vow. On ujo hen. Manga. Tawe zao baga. Ka moga. Bimo wan. Woman dondo. I'm fine even.
What is happening in Banat? Orya, tell us what is happening to who is that family? We need to know.
Is that why you invited us for this meeting? Is that why? If that is the reason, ask Zenke. Ask Zenke. Ask Zenke.
Ask Zenke. Nengo Orya Dekwanzu. When has Zenke become the head of our family lineage? Kama she why he go Orya? Kama se.
Zenke dug a grave. See lying over there open. Ran to his maternal home and returned with a total stranger to help him cover it. I will never be part of that. And it won't happen here. It cannot. Agbahamiga.
Banengo Orya, you are the custodian of our culture as the head of this family. And because of the arrival of this stranger in Banat, you are trying to confuse us.
The arrival of the stranger has nothing to do with the calamity befalling us in this community.
Aboji,
We have an empty grave to cover. And culture demands that something must be buried. Zenke only brought the stranger to help cover the grave at no cost.
and Aboji, when our culture demands that a stranger should come and cover our graves.
What are you telling us?
Nengumbolo. We made this tradition and culture by ourselves.
Yes!
And if there are complicated things, we change it.
As a pave,
Kama say,
I can now see your handiwork.
my handwork.
If you wish to go ahead and bury or cover the grave with a total stranger, then so be it. But as for me, count me out. Count me out.
Mose yemna chiwa. Mbolongo bata. Mose mpemna chiwa. Kama say.
Zenke. What are you doing here all alone?
Shima, I don't know what to do again. The entire community is angry at me. Can't you see I'm in trouble?
But you caused this yourself. I told you. I warned you not to do anything, but you. What have it? You are so stubborn for my liking. What have it? But anyway, how is your mom?
She's still unconscious.
But you see, I told you. They quiet communicate. Oh, you wanted to do everything yourself. Are you the Orya yourself? I told you. Nigga hing on. But
afternoon.
Afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Yes, I learned your mother fell in the farm yesterday.
She woke up very healthy.
What really happened?
Not until we went to the farm. We were walking, all of a sudden she collapsed.
Is she getting better at all?
Not at all. She's not. She's not getting better. We don't know what to do like this.
She will get better.
We pray so. We pray so.
Nothing will happen to her. Did you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Nothing will happen to her. Tell her that I will come and see her.
Thank you, ma'am.
Continue your work.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well done, my daughter.
Thank you.
You're so fine, so beautiful.
I've come to say thank you. Thank you for everything that you have done for me. You stood by me through my trying times. I just feel I'm the cause of everything that you have been through so far in this community since the death of my husband.
Elena, you don't have to feel bad. Everything happening in our community and with me is none of your fault. Amen.
Zenke, I caused it.
No, you don't have to feel bad. You're not responsible for your husband's death. I was just ensuring the right thing should be done. And I'm glad your husband is buried now. So everything that is happening subsequently is none of your fault. The men of God have promised to help me cover that grave and everybody will be fine.
You're really a good man.
Well, I appreciate your kind gesture for coming to say thank you, but Bekun was like a brother to all of us. He deserved to be buried the right way. So please, don't feel bad. I think I can handle this.
Orya, I've brought your food. What is it? What is the problem? I've made your favorite food. I've made roasted yam. Bayo. Mkume boom. Mwawa kete. Yete do yan yaga. Orya, what is it now? My husband. What is the problem again? What did I even do? He refused to eat my food. This is so serious. Orya, Orya, Orya.
May God be with you.
That God should be with you. Now listen, evangelist, or whatever you call yourself. I am the Orya of the entire community. Now I put it to you that your arrival and stay here isn't approved. Therefore, you are not welcome.
But the Bible says,
shut up your mouth. Your Bible have no say here. I am the final say and the only say. Now, listen. I give you 3 days. 3 days to leave this community or choose to remain here at your own risk, evangelist. Good day.
Shimai, imagine what your friend has caused in this community.
See, I'm telling you, that boy is not my friend. Wanda.
Wanda?
That boy is not my friend. Asupe Guma culture will see. Manga, unu facho go. Mwega, mshimalu enega, unu facho chini kocho usega. He will not succeed.
Where will he even start? Imagine the problem he brought here. The problem this guy called Zenke has brought to this community. Let me add is problems. Problems in our community. Day in, day out, you just be hearing Zenke has done this, Zenke has done this, Zenke has done this. Before you listen to this one, Zenke has caused another one. The worst of it all is that evangelist he brought here. He brought that man, a total stranger, inventing another people's tradition.
To come and just cover the grave. The grave that even the elders cannot just cover. Ovanya, abashiwa.
Manafafa oya afafa oya jinga chuku paga. Afafa paga. He won't dare it. I learned that Oya's wife had joined the white man.
You mean Kwasu Oya? Kwasu is something you know na he. You know Elena. I don't do it.
I was told that Sheku he's also there moving around with them now.
Sheku, he will never succeed.
Shima, when you're talking and you're not including me, okay, us. Our culture is our culture.
Our culture is our culture.
The worst of it now is that another drama I'm hearing is that he brought that man to come and cover the grave. Imagine. And you think that is possible? It's not even possible.
Let's just forget about that boy. Bimo, you know, I'm just, we're not getting any younger.
That one, dude.
So, I want to go to Begu. Bongo somebody in the house. With a cake, bongo move out. See him now.
So my guys, Agua, Shima, I called you all here because I don't have other friends. And you all know what's happening with me in the community. The evangelists have promised to help me cover the grave. Okay. Yes. He said, with prayers, we will cover the grave and nothing will happen. So I called you. I can't do it alone. Please, I need your help.
Zenke.
Abochi.
We are brothers. You don't need to overplay with us. We all know when all this happened. We were with you then. Even now, we are still with you.
Thank you.
She can hang on her.
Aboji. Boyam Timo wa venega so shim faiga. Onwana.
Moyo vendaga. But you guys remember what happened the last time. Yeah, Chavero.
Oh, Shamimio. Enga. Why don't we allow the elders do this their own way? Enga. Nigga mo agwayo. I really don't want Oya's trouble. I don't want it to.
Agua. Shima. You guys have only been afraid of Oya. But you guys should remember, Zenke is our brother. So are we going to leave him to go and die alone? And perhaps he made mention of the prophet. Let's go and help him, please.
So nobody's helping me? These are the friends I have? Shima? Okay. Thank you. I'll go and face my problems alone.
Good.
No. I can't leave Zenke to handle this alone. She also don't want to me.
You call him over and over at you.
But Shima, come to think of it too. Do you know that Zenke is only proving stubborn?
I want him not to dig the grave. He went ahead and dug the grave. Now, you see?
You see? If only he allowed the sleeping dog lie low, this wouldn't have come this far.
You don't want to work, but we are going to have a song. See, it's a singing in her. I
Evangelist Charles, I've come to say thank you. Thank you for everything that you have done in this community. Some way, somehow, I feel I'm responsible for the problems that are happening in our community. Because the man in question, Bekon, is my husband. And I've come to plead with you. My husband has already been buried. Please, let's give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar and let bygones be bygones. For a peaceful community, please, let the elders take over from here what culture demands. I really appreciate everything that you have done.
Sister Elena, you are a very peaceful woman. I've heard all that you have said. I will think about it. And may the good Lord always be with you. Zenke, my friend, like I told you, anywhere you go and you are not accepted, dust your shoes and leave. Keep having faith and the good works. I'm leaving the ministry in your hands. Keep it moving. I'm leaving you with this.
Thank you, Evangelist.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you, Evangelist.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
When? Where?
This morning.
Oh, have you informed Orya Jinga?
Hey, that's simple. Of what use would that be? Of what use?
Nenge, Zenke, Orya Jinga is still the head of our family. Orya.
Zenke, sincerely, you are the architect of your problem. And I always told you, you have to be patient. You have to be patient, but you don't want to listen. Allow the elders to do what they're supposed to do as culture demand or fault.
How patient do you want me to be? How patient? Is it when they kill me and bury me in the grave I dug? Yes, I dug a grave, but I brought somebody to cover it. You all said no, and now I am the impatient child. Now listen, I've had it enough. Let what will be, be. No!
Zenke.
You should do whatever you want to.
Zenke, and you start again.
What have I started?
Zenke, you start again.
Let Orya do whatever he wants to do. I've lost it already.
Edaboro.
Orya.
I say, Pave.
Kamase.
I invited you here so that by tomorrow, history will not judge us. Now that Onwanu Chikwa Zenke has agreed to buy into our culture, I shall allow him to proceed so that we can bury the open grave lying over there. Zenke, let us not forget that the voice of the elders is golden, and also that our culture must never and ever be tampered with. And that is who we are. You must be very thankful to us in Pev and Idaboro for interceding for you. Now, you shall lead the procession in order to cover the grave that have been lying there for some time now. Colossae.